Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the FIFA Mobile game account on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the FIFA Mobile game and complete through the basic tutorial levels, you might be prompted to log into your account. After you have logged in, if you wish to log out from your account, then you can look within the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. However, there is no option to log out from your currently connected account. So if you wish to log out and clear your progress within the game, then you will need to do this by clearing the data. So long press on the FIFA Mobile game and tap on the info button. You will then be taken into the application info page. From here, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application has been stopped, scroll down and tap on storage. And then from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and tap on delete to clear all of the user data. Once your data has been cleared, you can go back to your game and it will start from the very beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on FIFA Mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.